Today we're organising a hackathon with Materiom, who are one of our project partners on the ExeMPlaR project, and it's all about giving people experience of how to make bioplastics.
It is important to find alternatives to plastics because we are looking at changing our habits, and this means researching materials which we can use day to day which have less impact on our environment.
Plastic is a fantastic material. It's just if we don't use them for the right reasons, then it can leak into the environment. And we're seeing the mammoth impacts of that on our coastlines and in our seas as well.
So the last 2 days basically where we introduce the world of biomaterials. Yesterday was more like a theoretical day with more like exercise and activities, and today is more a hands-on approach, and we're actually literally cooking biomaterials.
Because everybody has something to offer, everybody has their knowledge, their expertise, their inspiration, their ideas, and I think that's the whole unique bit about ExeMPlaR, is bringing all of these disparate people or organisations, groups, industry sectors together so that we can look at redesigning the system and making it better holistically across the board.
Biomaterials could be used, for example, to replace single-use plastics. The classic bioplastics normally are like gelatin-based, but you also have biocomposites, and the biocomposites are more like using, for example, food waste.
It's astounding at what you can make out of the byproduct of fish, for example. The sky's the limit, isn't it? The opportunities are fantastic.
It's all about circular economy principles, using local resources. If you can stop bringing things in and transporting them all around the globe, then you cut down on carbon emissions, you use local materials, you keep things in the local economy.
I think the future for alternative plastics, for biomaterials, is really strong. I think coming along and having the whole thing demystified here has, changed my opinion on kind of what can be done. It kind of whittles down to a few ingredients that you can pick up down the supermarket, if not online, and a stovetop and a pan that you don't need much.
I think events like this are great, both for making people aware of what the potential are, and also just taking time out from your day job just to create that inspiration and innovation that's needed to transform the way that we do things.
I've met loads of really nice people, and lots of people who kind of think along a similar line. And it's nice to know that these people are thinking about trying to better the environment for us.
Thank you very much to ExeMPlaR for inviting us along, and I think there's going to be some really good outcomes from today.
If we're going to tackle something like the problem with plastic and plastic waste, then we have to get everybody involved. It's not something that one person can solve on their own. We have to have opinions from people who use plastics, who make them, who buy them, who construct them. Everybody has to be involved, including the scientists, the waste managers, and make sure that what we produce is better than the thing that it's replacing.